Unpacking the Phrase Sick in Bed, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, sick in bed. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in improving your English comprehension. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of sick in bed. Sick in bed is a phrase that combines two words, sick and bed. Sick refers to being unwell or ill, and bed is the piece of furniture we sleep in. Put together, sick in bed means that someone is so unwell that they are confined to their bed. It's often used to describe a situation where the illness is significant enough to keep the person from their normal activities. This phrase is commonly used in informal settings. You might hear it in conversations among friends, family, or colleagues. For example, "I can't come to work today. I'm sick in bed. How's your sister? I heard she's been sick in bed for a few days." It's a straightforward way to convey that someone is not just a little unwell, but enough to require rest and possibly medical attention. In English-speaking cultures, saying someone is sick in bed often implies a need for rest and care. It can also be a subtle way of asking for understanding or sympathy. In movies or books, a character being sick in bed might be a plot device to show vulnerability or a change in dynamics among characters. The phrase can be slightly altered but still retain its meaning. For example, bedridden, due to illness. Laid up, in bed with sickness. These variations are also commonly used and understood in the same context as sick in bed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, sick in bed. Remember, learning these common phrases can greatly enhance your understanding of English in everyday situations. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious about language learning.